Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and our closest planetary neighbor. It's the hottest planet in our solar system and is sometimes called Earth's twin. Venus has 0 moons because Venus is so close to the Sun, like Mercury. Venus has about 400 degrees Celsius on the surface. Venus rotates backwards. One day on Venus is about 243 Earth days. Venus has very thick atmosphere around. Venus has very thick atmospheres, incredibly hot. And here is how Venus looks without its clouds. It has atmosphere too. Shall be heat incredibly hot. 1 year on Venus is about 225 Earth days, or aka a Venusian year. Venus is the 3rd brightest object in the sky. For our sky, after the Sun and the Moon. Oh. And also, oops, wrong star system. Here. Even though Venus and Earth may look about the same size, Earth is a little bit bigger. Scientists think Venus might have clouds or water or actually life in the past. You can see because of dried up canals. Scientists think, because of Venus has about 80,000 to 8,500 volcanoes. Also, the first satellite or rovers to arrive was from Russia during the Soviet times. They only last about 2 hours before they burn up of the extreme heat. Venus has way stronger gravity than Earth's. About 80 African elephants. Atmospheric or pressure. Venus may have life, as I said before, in the past, but now it's a hot and not level planet anymore. Scientists say that up in the clouds about 30 degrees Celsius, we could probably live in the clouds, but the theory of Venus having acid rain is still yet to be proved. It doesn't have a moon, but it does technically have a quasi satellite. Now its official name Zuve. It was discovered on November 11, 2002 by Brian Skip at Lowell Observatory near Earth Object Search, or LONAS. We can see Zuve right now. See Zuve. Oh, there's no Zuve. Weird. Anyways, Venus is of course hottest, and also the most, well, lots of atmospheric pressure. Venus is also called Earth's twin because it is very similar in mass, density, density, and composition. But evil twin, sometimes also called. Venus was named after the Roman goddess of love. And yeah. Earth. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun, and it's the 5th largest planet. and Earth is the only planet with life. It takes Earth 1 year to go around the Sun, and 1 day on Earth is about 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds. Google it if you have to. Earth spins on its axis in about 23.44 degrees. And Earth has life from tiny fish in the ocean, from large whales, blue whales, and also land from the smallest mouse to the largest elephant, and giraffes. Also includes us living on planet Earth, aka called the blue marble, as a famous photo when we're passing from Saturn. We should take care of our own planet, not harm it and destroy it. Today Earth is suffering from global warming. Many species are endangered, and many species are invasive. That means animals in the wrong habitat. Well, Earth has lots of properties. Earth had one supercontinent a long time ago named Pangea. It was before all of these, they were in one supercontinent. That's why if you look at Africa and South America, you can see they kind of fit each other like puzzle pieces. And you wonder how earthquakes are formed. Well, we can take a few examples. Example, Iceland. Iceland is between two tectonic plates. These tectonic plates move a little bit inch every year. And also lots of the cutting down from Amazon rainforest, which is aka the Earth's lungs, or the planet's lungs, or it gives lots of oxygen. The ocean takes also a lot of CO2, but that makes the ocean sour for the fish. Earth has about a population of 8 billion. That's probably maybe you didn't know. There's lots of oceans. The 5 major ones: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian. There's probably more, but I'm kind of silly to forget. So also, Japan also another good example. It's on 2 tectonic plates. As they move, it causes them to create earthquakes, tsunamis, and other stuff. There are about 195 countries, but in the future we might have more countries than 195. And also remember, if you think you're proud and mighty, then if you were compared right next to Earth right here, you'll be as small as a dust. Our planet's way bigger than you think, you know. And also, we are incredibly lucky to have a planet. There's no planet B. There's no planet number 2. That's exactly like Earth. Also, Earth's deepest point is the Mariana Trench, which is about 36,000 feet, or about 10,973 meters below the ocean. We can take a look at it if I remember exactly where it is. Let's spend a bit more time. Okay, let's see. I think it's between here. I might be wrong. Or is it like in here? I don't know. It's somewhere over here. I don't know. It's somewhere over here. The Earth has the largest desert also here on Earth. It's called Sahara Desert here in Africa. The largest desert. Home to many species as well. There are also polar bears all the way up here in the north. Also another one at the South Pole and North Pole. And when the sun blasts solar rays, Earth also has a magnetic field that protects us from solar winds that blows on Earth. We can take a look at northern lights right now. First, find the northern lights at the north. Here, for example, like between the day and the night. Almost at the night, I don't know. We land and look. It's basically how the northern lights look from Earth. We can also look in realistic view. Here's an example view, basically Earth right now. We are standing on. Earth has been for many times But it wasn't always this hard. It was not always this full of life. Before, it was lava. Hot lava rocky planet. No life at all on the surface. Earth, of course, as the rest of Mercury, Venus, and Mars, it's a rocky planet, which means you can land on it. Scientists think there might be alien life outside Earth, but we don't know that for sure. But I don't believe in aliens, sadly. Or, you know. Earth has one moon, of course. We'll take a look at it later. I have a tiny bit more facts, though I gotta explain. First, Earth is a sphere. It's not flat. Earth is not flat. And second of all, the moon landing was not fake. Whatever these species theories might think they are. And of course, we have explored the moon more than our own oceans. That's how you know how deep our ocean is. Well, there are many species about Earth. Many mammals, reptiles, birds, amphibians, and fish that live on this planet and depends on each other on the ecosystem. We humans, well, some of them might be greedy. Example, I remember this. In Japan, they sell a lot of tuna, but they overfish it too much. And not to mention, there's a dredging, if you don't know what it is. It's basically, I think, it's a bottom trawling. New species of deep sea animals were discovered off the coast of California in the US, but many companies are relying to buy it because all those rocks in there have copper, nickel, and you know, those for make lithium car batteries. But now are you sure car batteries are the future? I don't know, it's just my opinion. But here. Also, another good to mention, invasive species. That means, well, if you don't know what that means, I kind of told you before, but if you don't know, I'm gonna say it again. Invasive species are animals that do not belong in the habitat they are. For example, let's say, okay, I need to figure out a good example. Let's say lionfish. Yeah, lionfish. They're supposed to be in Indonesia or, you know, the subs like, you know, Philippines stuff. But if someone got in the US, which makes an invasive species, they should not be there. For example, they destroy ecosystems. No other fish eats them because lionfish are venomous. Do not touch, of course. And not to mention, we are literally suffering a very hot summer because of the global warming. And by the way, did you know that Earth's rotation might slow down? Apparently, this melting of the polar ice caps made so that mass is more favorable on Earth's water. Yeah, mass. That makes Earth go slower. So we might experience 25 hours now instead of 24 hours as usual, or actually it's 23 hours because it's been 4 seconds, but it's still kind of insane. But I hope whoever is watching this, we gotta take care of our beautiful blue marble we call home. The moon. The moon, or aka Luna, is Earth's only natural satellite. The moon is bigger than Pluto, and the moon was born 4.5 billion years ago when a protoplanet named Theia crashed into Proto-Earth, aka our a long time ago. It was lava back then. Theia was about the same size as Mars. We have explored the moon more than our oceans. As I told before, we only see one side of the moon since the moon orbits pretty similar to Earth's normal rotation. So that's why we only see one face of it, aka tidal locked. So that's why we always say this side of the moon, not this dark other side. This is the other side of the moon. Where actually, I might be tripping. But sorry. But this is the moon we see basically every single day. This moon. But this side of the moon we don't see because it's not facing the same way as Earth. if we put every single planet a distance between Earth and the Moon, I can try to give a bit of a showcase. If we have every single planet between Earth and the Moon, we include Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and even include a little Pluto over here, we have enough space to fit all of them in between. And our Moon is slowly drifting away, if you didn't know. Our Moon moves about 2 centimeters or millimeters a year, slowly, but it's not much, but it's slowly going far away from us. Our Moon is very important. The Moon keeps our ocean tides stable, and makes sure the Earth's axis is stable too. Of course, science might speculate that Moon has protected Earth from many asteroid impacts from all the craters. As Mercury, Moon does not have an atmosphere, so we can see lots of craters from asteroid impacts as well. We have sent like the first humans into space in 1969, and also many other rovers to explore the Moon. There are also many other satellites over the Moon. If you go to NASA, Solar System, Explorer, and you'll probably see what I mean. And also, if we want to take a nice look of our Moon from Earth, we're going to land on the Moon first, land on the Moon, and look, there's Earth. Or if you don't like it's dark, this basically all looks like we're on the night side of the Moon right now. And look, there's Earth, right there, spinning. Enough's on it. Spinning. Well, with Earth.